sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin ang 3 types of analysis. Yes, yung iba dyan ang alam lang ay technical analysis, but there are 3 types of analysis in Forex market. Number 1 na nga yung pinaka-common, that's technical analysis. So based from its definition, technical analysis is based on the historical price movement and the probable price movement in the future. So, technical analysts believed that how price behaved in the past would also recur in the future. So, ibig sabihin lang nito, tumitingin tayo sa past performance ng chart para makita natin na, ito rin yung possible na mangyari in the future. That's how technical analysis is. While fundamental, yung second naman, fundamental analysis deals with the overall economic and political outlook of key countries. Overall, tinitignan mo yung kondisyon ng isang bansa. Fundamental analysts rely on economic indicators to see if a currency is strengthening or weakening. Tumitingin sila doon. Hihina ba yung JPY dahil mahina yung performance ng economy ng Japan or lalakas yung